So a question from Al-Baqarah 225. 225 Al-Baqarah
225. اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم ولا تجعلوا اللہ عرضۃ لایمانکم ان تبروا وتتقوا وتصلحوا بین الناس واللہ سمیع علیم. Translation is, and make not Allah a target of your oaths, that you may thereby abstain from doing good and acting righteously and making peace between men, and Allah is all hearing, all knowing.
So what's meant by عرضة لإيمانكم?
عرضة لإيمانكم. Some people make a vow with reference to God, that God is our witness, that we are going to do this and that in future. And the vow itself is not valid. The vow which they make, the contents of that vow are not good. For instance, some people vow that we shall never do relative of ours because he has transgressed the education or the teachings of Allah. So although apparently this is a good vow, but once it is made, it prevents the person in the name of God to do what God has himself taught. So do not make urzatan. Don't make Allah a target of such vows, because there is no contradiction in Allah. In the name of Allah, to abstain from doing justice to others, to do good to others is wrong. So this is why it is said, do not make Allah a target of these vows. Understand? Right.